Hello, Mike with Carmichael Cleaning. Just going to do another quick video for you today. We're in the Deer Ridge area of Kitchener and we're doing a full house of carpet, 9 large rooms. We're going to be cleaning, disinfecting, deodorizing, as well as our full 12-step process. We are going to be doing one area rug urine treatment and we are reapplying Green Guard carpet protection. So this client found us on Google and loved our 5-star reviews as well as our 30-day 100% money back guarantee. And in fact, with the Green Guard, we actually have a 1-year warranty. So if they have any stains or spills over the next year, they could just give us a call. We'll come out at no charge and take care of it for them. So the upstairs here has been fully complete and protected. We're just focusing on drying up all the rooms up here. The stairs get a little wider as we go down. Of course, got all the corner guards up. Justin's just working away with the Rotovac 360i. The master bedroom is on the main floor. And another thing that this client loved about us was obviously our presentation. We always leave them a brochure, tell them a little bit about us, leave them another brochure on the urine treatment, as well as another brochure on the Green Guard protection. And obviously it shows the 1-year clean-free warranty on there as well. So we use Black Label. We are trying out a new polymer rinse and Unchained, as well as the Green Guard. And then I'll take you into our final area, 3 full levels. And downstairs here we've got a large weight room. Goes around to the right hand side, around there. He moved everything for us, so we didn't have to move anything. This will be the area rug we're going to urine treat. Carla's already pre-vacuumed this room down here. She's just got a couple more rooms in the area rug. And final room here. So just a little bit about what we're doing today. So full house, carpet cleaning. They're not very soiled. This client is now on our VIP program, so we will come out once a year for him as a part of our VIP program and take care of all of his cleaning needs. And if you're looking for a carpet cleaner locally, give us a call at Carmichael Cleaning, 519-208-8533. Thank you very much and have yourself a great day.